Hi everyone, welcome back to IT System Admin. In today's video, I will show you step by step how to change your Google Play Store country. If you can't find certain apps because of location restrictions, this method will help you update your Play Store settings and access app for any country. Let's get started. Tap to Play Store. Click on your profile icon on upper right corner. Now click on Payments and Subscriptions. Click on Payments Method. Click on More Payment Settings. It will redirect you to the Payment Center in browser. Click on Menu icon on upper left corner. Here click on Settings. You will find here Country Regions. Click on Edit icon here. Click on Create a new profile link. Click on Continue. To choose a country or region, click on drop down and select your country. Then click on Continue. In address line, type your address, then type your city, states and postcodes and then click on Submit. And your new country or region is changed. Thanks for watching. I hope this video helped you to successfully change your Google Play Store country and fix Play Store regions issue. If you found this useful, please give us a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe for more Android and Google tips. See you in the next video.